In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link things on Google Slides. Whether you're building a quick table of contents or adding a resource your audience can open, linking on mobile is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through linking to a website and jumping to another slide inside the same presentation, all from your phone or tablet. Start by launching the Google Slides app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet so changes sync properly, and sign into the right account if you use more than one. If you've recently worked on the deck, you'll see it in your list. Otherwise, use search to find it. Open your presentation and go to the slide where you want the link. It can help to pinch and zoom so you can tap precisely. Decide what will become the link, usually text in a text box or a shape like a button. Tap the text box or shape you want to turn into a link. For text, double tap to place the cursor and drag to highlight exactly the words you want. For a shape, just tap once so you see it selected with handles around it. Next, tap the plus sign at the top of your screen. This opens the Insert menu, which is where all the extras live on mobile, including links, images, and shapes. We're going to use it to add a link to your selection. Scroll to the bottom of that list and tap Link. You'll see a panel with a field for your link, along with options to connect to slides in your deck. This is the same place you'll come back to later if you need to edit or remove a link. To link to a website, type or paste the URL into the link box. A quick tip. Long press in the field to paste if you copied the address beforehand. Use the full address, including HTTPS, for the most reliable results. Keep your link text clear, like "Open the report," so your audience knows what to expect. To link to another slide, tap Slides beneath the link box. Choose Next Slide, First Slide, or pick a specific slide number if you're building navigation. This is perfect for Back to Agenda or Skip to Details buttons and makes your deck feel interactive. Finally, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save. Your text will show as a link, and shapes will keep their style but act as buttons. Before you present, test your links by tapping Present and trying them out. If something needs adjusting, select the item, open Link again from the plus menu, and make your edits. You're all set to link with confidence on mobile.